What's up? Eric MFG here, and we had to go back to Dairy Queen yet again because they just released another Blizzard and I had to get it. The Dirt Cake Oreo. Let's go. And check it out. Look at that. There is a gummy worm in there. I was worried they weren't going to have a gummy worm in here, so it's not a dirt cake without a gummy worm. Frozen. Look at those Oreo pieces. I'm still getting gummy worms. This thing's loaded with gummy worms. Giant Oreo pieces. Still gummy worms. There's more gummy worms than Oreo pieces. So it's really just a chocolate shake, a chocolate Blizzard with Oreos and gummy worms. Nothing special, but I'm impressed with how much gummy worms are in here. So I'd probably go 7 just for the chocolate cake, but the fact there's so many gummy worms in here takes up to an 8. 8 out of 10 for the Dirt Cake Oreo Blizzard.